What's up, guys? My energy levels are on super high right now because it is 5:23 in the morning and it is time to go deliver the E46 M3. Let's go. What is up, guys? Welcome back to a new episode from Backyard Boys. If you guys are new to this channel, please lightly tap the subscribe button. Guys, in this video, we're gonna go ahead and deliver this E46 M3 back to Philip. We are on our way to Portland, and I'm sorry I couldn't get an intro out earlier to you guys just because it was pitch black and you guys literally could not see my face. But guys, this is gonna be a very cool video. I just want to see his reaction because this car means a lot to him. I want to see his reaction, initial reaction on spot, just first glance, and just maybe rate the quality of work. I don't know, but this is gonna be a very fun vlog. My cousin actually in Portland has a F80 M3 CS as well, which is basically like a Lime Rock M3, which is really rare and expensive, and he put some beautiful mods on it. We're gonna have a good time. I got my GTR with me right there, so that's basically my ride home. And yeah, guys, stay tuned for this video. If you guys want to support the channel, please cop yourself some merch. This is some fire merch, some good quality stuff. And man, this is gonna be a sick video, some cinematic shots, some exhaust sounds. It's gonna be all around a beautiful clip. Stay tuned. Thank you so much. Let's go.
Is he actually up?
Stay safe, boys. Yo, don't forget to air up.
Pay him. Okay. Bye.
My freaking guy, dude, this thing is mint. Look how much carbon this has. Carbon paddles.
So here's the thing. This is where you have to go like 1 mile an hour because it does scrape.
Oh, success. Great success. This thing is sick. Dude, it's too smooth. You know what I'm saying?
That's what you're saying. I want to warm it up.
Yeah. Dude, that burble is so perfect. It's not like stupid loud. Yeah. Let's go. Chill, dog. Dude, we should do a poll with the GTR. Actually.
Third gear is still peeling out.
Yo, go to second gear. I'm calling the cop. The thing is, this thing, it breaks traction. It's cold right now outside, summer tires, and this thing just breaks traction. The GTR is 4-wheel drive, 325s in the rear. I mean, this thing hauls, but that traction control light just blinks every single time you switch gears.
It's a super sports.
Yeah, so really hard to get a race in right now in this kind of weather, especially being cold. What is it outside, like 42? Something like that. So yeah. Yo, look at this combo, dude. Dude, that color goes together so well. That's the owner right there. Yo, how many of these are in US?
550. He's lying, just 5.
No, how about in Washington?
2 in Washington.
So there's 2 of these right here in Washington. Basically, I don't know if it's as rare as my 1M, or maybe it's rarer. I don't know. But look at that. Look how much carbon this guy got, dude. Carbon. 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 Ready? Let's keep going. Carbon. 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 Yo, what else is carbon? Carbon. Look at this interior.
Oh, those are stickers though. Those are stickers.
Carbon. Hey, don't ruin the hype. Carbon. 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 What else is carbon, dude? Are you gonna get side skirts?
Yeah.
Dude. If you guys are interested in following this build, I'll tag his Instagram right over here. So check him out. He got a lot of fun stuff coming for this thing, and it's came a long way already in like 2 weeks or something, ever since you got it.
Yeah.
So this thing was bone stock, but now it's sitting pretty. Dude. Let's get some rollers and some cinematic shots in. Guys, we have had our fun share of good times with that beautiful F80 M3. Now it is officially time to go and deliver the E46 M3. We're gonna be there in about 30 minutes, so I'll just go ahead and fast forward right to that. And guys, I'm so pumped to get his reaction. He's probably looking at the camera like, who the heck is this guy? How you doing, bro?
Hello, sir.
All right.
Here.
We got your beautiful E46, bro.
All right, tell me about it. Oh, you covered the side markers?
Which ones? Yeah, I painted those because, did you have regular orange ones?
Yeah.
So this thing, a lot more work than I initially thought, but I'm happy everything turned out pretty darn good. Besides the grills. China grills. That's the only thing. You had the same problem with your grills.
Oh yeah.
Initially, yeah. But I mean, they held in there, no problems. Absolutely. I drove the whole time here, no lights, nothing. Everything seems to be fine.
So nothing on the dash?
Dash, clean all around. Yeah, bro. A lot of freaking work, dude, to get this thing back to. I did it. I really didn't. I didn't like clean anything. I just.
Damn, man, it's been too long. I'm excited to drive it. The LEDs, are you like clicking that?
No. Oh well, to unlock. So when you unlock the car or lock it, so unlock, they'll turn on, and then lock, they'll turn off.
Who makes those?
It's just an eBay kit.
Looks good.
Yeah, it looks pretty clean.
All right. It's been a minute.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. What do you say? How's it look?
Hey, it's a job well done, but was it worth salvaging? economy-wise, but you can't put a price on a feeling, right?
Yeah, that's true.
I don't know. There's something about it, man. It's the slick top.
Look at that. See how that closes? You see how that closes, bro? Yeah, man.
Oh, man, I can't wait to go on a ride.
Let's go test drive right now or no?
Let's go. Yeah.
Dude.
It'll pass emissions, yeah. 'Cause
It'll pass everything. It'll pass all flying colors. So raw. The car is literally like.
Some people hate that sound, man. I love it.
Really? Yeah, because I had people like when I just pulled it out of the shop, people were like, "What is that noise? Like that rasp?" I'm like, "Dog, E46, man."
Damn, man.
That kind of pulls at high
My
RPM.
neighbors are gonna love me. Damn.
Yeah, the brakes are touchy. Feel that? No, feel the. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, are they still breaking in?
I don't know. I don't know how much miles I put on it ever since.
Maybe I'm spoiled by carbon ceramic.
Probably. Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah. Dude, I haven't joyridden in a long time. No, like sometimes I don't drive for a minute, then I get back in a car and I'm like, wow, there's a reason why people love this.
Dude, it reminds me of my 1M. I drove the 1M and the handling on it was just stupid. It was just insane. Like, blew me out of the water.
Yeah, this thing's like on a rail, man. I love it. Better handling than my R8 for sure.
Really?
Oh yeah.
No
Like,
way.
more precise. That one feels more planted. It doesn't have as much body roll, but
Bro, you know what to ride this thing, or drive this thing.
dude, this engine is made to be abused. What is it, S55?
S54.
Oh.
Yeah, 54 3.2. Yeah, literally, this thing's made to be abused. Like, actually, like it's a cast iron block, so like it can handle. Apparently, this engine, if I'm not like, if you guys can fact check me, but this engine can handle 6 or 8 wheel horsepower with stock internals or a stock block. I'm not exactly sure, but apparently the front ends of these cars are heavy because of that cast iron block.
I'm actually this weekend probably gonna take you down to San Fran, like on the 101.
Really?
Do some driving.
That'll be fun. What is this?
Gotta take my picture.
Where is this?
Oh, this is my land.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's pretty close to your house.
Yeah.
Look at this. I said I'm happy to get it done in 2019 because that was at least that was the title of your video.
Out of all my goals, this I think I got like 3 done out of 10.
Well, I'm happy to be at least completing one of them, so that felt good.
Thank you, man.
Yeah.
Honestly.
My honor. Thank you for trusting me.
No, I mean like I liked how brazen you were about it. You're like, let me fix your car.
I'll get it done. Don't worry about anything else.
When a message comes through like that.
Yeah. Oh, look at that, dude. That is sick, actually. Yo, look at this bridge. We have now delivered the car, guys, and everything seems to check out perfect. Philip, are you happy with it?
Satisfied, man.
I'm happy. I am happy that he is happy because that was my goal at the end of the day. Once again, brother.
Oh, dude,
thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for trusting me because this project was a little bit overwhelming in the sense where I came and it looked just a tiny bit, but then I was like, dude, might as well full send it, do everything proper, make sure everything looks good. And so far, we went to a test drive. Everything checks out.
She rips.
Yeah, she rips. I've never ripped it like that in a long time, dude. My neck hurts. Look at that front end. Once you clean it up, bro, you'll be so satisfied. It actually shines.
Yeah, no, it looks good, man.
Now, guys, let's head back home. We got a 3-hour drive. Peace out. Last stop before we get home because Seattle has crap ton of traffic. You guys know the place.
We got that Chick-fil-A.
Let's go get some grubs. Next morning here, and we are home safe and sound, absolutely no problems. And two reasons why I did not want to make an outro for you guys last night is, first of all, it was pitch black, you guys couldn't see anything whatsoever, and second of all is, what if something happened to the GTR on the road trip home? Would have been pretty cool to get it in a vlog. Get it in the vlog. What is that? Yo, this guy's just chilling there. Anyways, thank you guys so much for all the love, all the support of this channel. If you guys want to support the channel, please cop yourself some merch in the merch link down in the description area. And don't forget that December 24th, I am dropping M2 merch, and it's going to be only a limited quantity of 50 pieces. Shout out to Filips for trusting me with the project. That smile on his face when he was ripping that E46 just made my day. Don't want to miss Sunday's video either. That 1M is looking more complete than ever. Peace out, guys, and I'll catch you this Sunday. Wow.